Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here. I just want to give you a little update regarding the Tesla Gigafactory 3 in Shanghai, which has been closed for almost a week and a half now, since end of January. Looks like, and this is according to Reuters news, it looks like it's going to be reopening on the 10th, February the 10th. Okay, so that will be tomorrow, I guess. And that is a major news. Tesla released a statement, I'm going to show it to you, regarding the effect of the closing. There is going to be an effect on Q1 sales, overall sales. Obviously, it was supposed to be ramped up, and it was, but this is halted. Now, it's not only Tesla that is suffering from this, obviously, but it is affecting all kinds of industry. Basically, China is shut down to all kinds of commerce and supply lines, and this horrible coronavirus, who now claimed more lives than the SARS virus. Over 700 people dead and 35,000 people affected in China and around the world. The whole region is now being affected, not only China. So looks like the factory will be reopened with, I'm sure, a lot of precautions and all that. But that will be a very significant step into China's development of the Tesla Model 3s, and later on reopen the rest of the country. But that is good news. But I am going to follow this. I cannot believe that that actually sales and commerce are going to be resuming this quickly. Maybe just production. I don't think sales. I mean, I know that all the Tesla stores are closed in China. There's 22 of them, I believe. And Apple stores are closed, and everything is closed, basically, because of this horrible virus. But I will continue to monitor and continue to report to you. Just stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching.